Photoshop has developed over 16 basic color adjustment functions for us. These adjustment layers can manipulate the color and tone of the layers beneath them. Sometimes a same result can be achieved by different adjustment layers with different methods. What cannot be denied is that each of them has its own unique advantages. Let's talk about the color balance adjustment layer today, and I put a download link in the description, which is the PSD source file of this video for you to have a try. First of all, do not go to the top menu and try to use any of the adjustments in the image. It makes you unable to revise any of the adjustments. The pro method is to go to Layer and create a new adjustment layer, or create the adjustment layer in the Layers panel. This way, everything will be changeable anytime after. Just go to the Layers panel and create a color balance adjustment layer. You will find in the Color Balance Properties panel there are 3 color sliders for you, which are cyan and red, magenta and green, yellow and blue. To understand these color principles is a totally another story. Today, let's just focus on playing around with this color balance adjustment. First, you can choose tone from shadows, midtones, or highlights. For example, we selected the midtones. Then what you can do is to drag around one of 3 sliders under. Drag around the slider to a certain color. The tone of the entire image will move closer to that color. To the red, the image looks redder. To the green, the image looks greener. If the color principles are not the points of this video today, and that's it. This is how the color balance adjustment layer works. You should have a try and drag these sliders around to have some experiments. I will make the color principles for you soon. This series of videos will walk you through all the basic adjustment functions in Photoshop. Some are pretty easy, some are kind of more complex, so I've made an experimental PSD file for you. Links in the description, feel free to download and have a try. Don't forget to subscribe and check out this channel often. I'll keep uploading.